Yeah, we all as human beings have this innate desire to live a meaningful life. We all want to leave legacy. We don't want just to be selfish and grab all we can and enjoy it. The greatest joy, and there's been a lot of research that has been done around this area, that people actually have more fun when they give. They get greater satisfaction, emotional and mental and physical, when they give. And that's what people really find as their meaning. And obviously, to be able to give, as Ron says, you need to look after yourself. When you are flying an airplane, then if the mask drops, you don't put it on someone else, you put it on yourself. So you look after yourself first so that you are able to give. So the path to that meaningful life is grow your capacity so that you can give more. And then it means that you live a life of greater legacy because you pass it on to others.